test, could have. It means that an opportunity that you had in the past, but you did not take advantage of that situation.
Okay.
Okay. For example, I'll take it. Hi Shahid, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
I am good too. I'm good too. Thank you. So, how's your day going?
My day was going well, ma'am. Yes. And what about
Was
your day, ma'am? Today I have
yeah,
learned
I'm also
something
good.
actually.
Okay.
Yeah, as I told you yesterday, means we would talk about means could and could have. So little bit I have
Oh, you've
a
prepared
little bit I
something on
have.
your own.
Yes, ma'am. Little bit I have learned about because
Okay.
when you while conversation you asked to me give me example, so I stuck. So that's why little bit I have just prepared.
Okay. 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 All right. But it wasn't a homework from my side.
No,
Okay.
it is not homework, ma'am. It is not homework, but it
Yes.
just yeah.
Right. Not a
So
homework.
what about your day, ma'am? How was your day?
Oh, it was, cannot say it was not so good. Actually, I had one interview in the hospital for internships. So
Okay.
she did take our interview. We did answer her questions. Some of them we couldn't answer. So she was like, "Okay, leave your CVs. I will call you if there's an opening." It was such a
Okay.
slap in the face. I was like, "Oh shit!" So I've come back disappointed. Let's see what happens.
Okay. I hope all thing whatever thing happen will it will good.
Thank you. I really need it. Maybe I'm just hoping she calls back. But anyway, so what's up for today? Could and could have only?
Yeah, could and could have. Yes, ma'am. Today we would talk about could and could
Could
have.
and could have.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, all right. If you have prepared for it, so would you like to start with the explanation?
So I so okay, I want to start.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
No problem. I can start. Could we can use many way. There's many use of could. First use of could, I think when you request to someone, in that time we can use could. Could you give me a pen and could you
Mhm.
talk to me? And if you want to request to someone, so you can request in that time you can use could. And second use of could, uh, in present moment you are able to do that, and so in that time also we can use could. Just like if I will ask to you, what do you want to do today? So you can reply to me, yeah, today I could see a movie, I could make a tea, and I could uh, make a cook. Yes, means can you hear me, ma'am? Yeah.
Yes, yes, I can.
So yeah, in that way we can use could.
Yes, right. Okay.
And
Very nice. You were able to explain could. Okay.
yes, and another use is could only. It is a present moment. If we have present moment, if we have ability in present moment, so we can use could, which I have given example, right? And second use of and third use of could means when you talk about past ability, when you express your past ability, in
Yes.
that time also we can use could only,
Yes. Right.
right? And just like when I was child, so I could ride a bike, I could ride a cycle, I could
Very
ride a
nice.
cycle.
Very nice. Okay. Correct.
Yeah. So yes, means
Great. Great.
we
Yes.
we it that mean, ma'am, it that mean we were able to do that in past time, but in present time
We
we are
yes,
not we are
when
not
you've
able to do
explained
that.
these three things, so they mean like you can even express a past habit or something. Like you mentioned, when I was a kid, I could ride my bike or I could ride my bicycle. Or when I was a kid, I could write really beautifully, whatever it is. So yes, you can explain it this
Okay.
way. Okay,
So
yes.
can you give me example about past ability? Me some example.
The one like the child one.
Any yes, any related to
Anything
could,
in
man.
it could, right?
Related to but past ability. I mean to say but past ability.
past abilities, like anything that is that I make a sentence with could. That's what you need, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
But that sentence regarding to that sentence belong to past ability.
I'm not getting the past ability thing.
I was saying that, ma'am, you can give me example, past ability. Okay. So that that example will belong to past ability.
Past,
I mean,
something that I did in the past, right? You need
yes.
with that. Good.
Yes.
Okay. Let's just give this stupid interview one only. Okay. I gave my first round last week. I could answer her questions in a better way. So that becomes something that I did in the past. Okay. I couldn't do it today. So I'll just make it in the past tense that when she asked me those questions, I could answer her very easily. Okay. This is something that I did in the past. It was I had a chance to answer the questions and I took that chance and I answered her questions in the past, last week. Okay. So at that time I've used yes. I could answer her questions very well.
True, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
That one. Or if we say, like could can be used with could not as well. It will mean the same thing. It's just that sentence will be negative.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Like for example, last week I couldn't answer her questions. Could not answer her questions. Again, it's the same meaning, just the sentence has turned negative.
Turn negative. Okay. It is also belong to past ability. Means,
past. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. Yes. Last that you got a chance, but you did not take advantage of that situation. So at that time, you can say, I couldn't answer her questions that well last week.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
So
Yes.
any other use of could, ma'am? We have talked about any 3 use of could, right, ma'am?
Yes. Like you explained for a request. Could you please pass me a glass of water? One. Could you please write me a letter? Could you please let me borrow your book? Or
Yes.
could you please turn on the fan for me, etc.
Yes.
Okay, these are the examples for your requests.
Yes.
Okay. Second, what did you say?
I have said means we are able to do that in present moment.
Yeah.
So in
right. Like you mentioned, what do you want to do today? So you said I could watch a movie, I could go outside, etc. Yes.
Yes.
That is also possible. Okay, like we could go for a movie in the evening, if that's what you want to do.
Yes, true.
Okay, that is a true possibility. It can happen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this way we also can use could.
Yes.
So one is request, other that you said present, and second of a past ability.
Past ability, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So now any other use of could only except for this
pretty much covers all could. All uses of could can be covered in these 3 subcategories.
All right, ma'am. So now can we move ahead about could have?
Yes, could have. Now, as the word suggests, could have. It means that an opportunity that you had in the past, but you did not take advantage of that situation. Okay. For example, I'll take it today for my interview only. I could have answered the questions in a better way. I had the chance. But I did not take full advantage. So I will say that I could have answered her questions in a better way.
So you have missed the chance. You got a chance.
Yes, I have missed that chance.
But you had missed the chance. So that's why
I am using could have. Yes.
Yeah. You could have. You could have answered that question.
Yes, in a better way.
But you did not do it.
But I couldn't do it. Yes.
You couldn't do it. You did not do it. Both are things.
Absolutely. Both are right. Okay. Giving another example, let's say if I had more time, I could have studied harder for my exams. Okay. So now this chance you did not have. I mean, you had the chance, but you are putting it on time, that you did not have enough time. That's why you could not study better. Okay. Now that chance is gone. You had the time, but you did not do it. So that's to be, if I had more time, I could have studied harder. Could have.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I could have studied harder.
I could
Okay.
have. Yes. So this
Okay.
is the second sentence.
Yes. In similar to you, ma'am, I want to give you example like if I could have, if I had studied harder, so I could pass the exam. I could have passed the exam.
Yes, right. Had I studied harder, I could have passed my exams.
I could
Or
have
I could
passed
have
my.
scored well.
Yes. Yes, true, ma'am.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
means
whatever chances are gone or whatever chances you have missed, for that
yeah.
aspect we use could have.
Yeah, it means, ma'am, we got a chance and we miss it. We had missed it. We did not do it that thing. In that time, we can use could have.
Could
I will
have.
give an example, ma'am. One example. You can rectify my mistake. Just like uh, in morning time, I went to the market. Okay, and in market I saw one headphone. Okay, and I had money, but I did not purchase that headphone due to some reason. And now I came home. Okay, now I saying to myself, yeah, I could have bought that headphone.
I could have bought those headphones. Exactly.
Yeah, I could have bought that headphone. Actually, I
Yeah.
did not do it. I did not buy this headphone. I had a chance,
But you
but
missed it.
I did not take that chance. I did not
Yeah.
take the chance, and now I have missed it. So in that way, we can use could have. Okay, ma'am. Now it's very
Exactly.
clear, ma'am. I would like to
Exactly.
thanks to you.
Oh, no,
Yeah,
no, please, you're so
yeah, ma'am.
welcome. Okay, similarly, like we said, could and could not, your could have can also have a negative thing. Could have and could have not. Okay,
Could not have. Okay,
example, like even if I had more time, I could not have studied harder.
okay,
Okay, so I'm trying to say I did my best. Even if you give me more time, this is the best I could have done. Okay, so I'm framing the sentences in a negative way. Even if I had more time, I could not have studied hard. This is the best shot I could have given.
okay. So in negative use, we can use could not. Means
Yes, could not have.
okay. So I had a money, and so I couldn't bought that headphone.
Yeah, you can say like even if I wished for those headphones, even if I wished for those headphones, I could not have bought those headphones. Why? Now you
Okay,
can bring the money problem. That even if I was dying
okay.
to buy those headphones, but I could not have bought them because I did not have enough money.
All right.
Okay, so this is how you
Okay.
can frame it in the negative.
Negative way. Okay. Can
Yes.
you give me another example regarding to negative, ma'am?
Could not have.
So then it will. Yeah, could not. Yeah, could
Could
not
not
have,
have.
ma'am.
Let's
Yeah.
say we could not have studied harder, or we could not have answered the questions better, or the buy thing with headphones. What else can it be? There can be more sentences, but could not have. Oh, okay. We can say there was so much traffic. Even if the time was extended, we could not have reached there on time.
Yeah, we could not
Okay,
reach on time.
we could not have reached there on time. Like for example, there is a certain time duration that is given to you, and you have to reach within this time limit. But
Okay.
there's so much traffic, so your friend says that okay, try to reach by this time. I am extending your window. Let's say
Okay.
I am giving you 10 or 15 more minutes. So then you can
Okay.
say that there is so much traffic, even if you extend my window, I could not have reached on time.
Okay.
Okay,
Means
that time is gone. That time
the
is
time
gone.
has gone. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
So tomorrow, let's say your friend is talking to you. So he says like, I even extended the window for you. So you can say like, even if you had extended the window, I could not have reached there on time because there was so much traffic.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yes.
I couldn't have reached there because of
On time of the
traffic
traffic.
on the traffic. Okay, ma'am. Got it,
Yes.
ma'am.
Right. So positive, negative,
So
both can be framed with couldn't have, with could have and could not have.
yes, ma'am. Okay.
Right.
Your picture
Are
paused,
these
ma'am.
both clear?
Yeah, that is
My
clear,
picture
ma'am.
is paused.
No, now it's fine, ma'am. Now it's fine.
Now it's okay. Okay.
Yeah, little bit,
Yes.
but little bit confusion about, ma'am. I could not have. I will think about. I will study about means more. So then it will clear.
Okay.
I could not had.
Okay.
Mean,
You can frame a sentence with could not have. I will tell you if it's correct or not.
I could not have. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Mhm.
Like I framed, we could not have reached there on time. If you have something similar in mind, you can frame a sentence.
Okay, ma'am. I will try. Okay. I'm thinking about means could not had. Okay. Could have used in
Could not
the.
have.
How we will use, ma'am? Could
Okay.
have means could have. Yeah. Go ahead, ma'am. Please. What
Yeah,
did you
like
say?
I was getting on another example. Let's say you are writing an exam. Okay. And whatever you knew about the topic, you've written everything. Okay.
Okay.
Even if the teacher gives you less marks. Okay.
Okay.
Then you can say, I wrote everything. I could not have written anything else.
Okay. I could not
Okay.
have written anything else.
Anything
Okay.
else. Yes. Whatever you knew, you wrote everything, but still she didn't give you marks. So let's say you're discussing it with someone like, I wrote everything. I could not have written anything else, or I could not have written even a single word more.
Okay. Because we have read it all thing.
Yes,
Right,
we've
ma'am?
written everything. Right. Now
Okay.
it
We
is not
had
in your
read.
control. The time is gone.
The time is gone. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Got it, ma'am. Little bit
Okay.
got it. I got it.